Children, I welcome you again to the math class. This is your second period of math for today. I'm your teacher Priyanka Raj Bhandari. We are continuing with math steps book only. So in this class we will start a new chapter. Okay, so hope you all are excited to learn about new chapter. So today the day is Wednesday, as I've already told you, and the date is 8th of December 2021. So children, this is chapter 12, measures of mass. Okay, in chapter 11 we have done measures of length or measurement of length. Yes, in chapter 12 we will do the sums. We will learn many things about measures of mass, or you can say weight. Okay, so we are doing exercise 69 and 70 today. So children, you can see in the picture, yes, these are the different, in the first picture, these are the different scales used to measure mass or weight of anything. Yes, you have seen all these scales. Yes, weighing machine, you have seen in grocery shop, you have seen when you go to visit doctor. Yes, when you go to visit vegetable shop, all these are required in order to measure the weight of anything. So you can see in the second scales there are the units of grams and kilograms. Yes, when we have to measure small things, yes, the things which are weighing small, like for example spices, these things are spices, cotton, we measure in gram. Okay, and we have to, when we have to measure the things which have heavy weight, for example us ourselves, yes, you measure your weight also in kilogram. Yes, and you measure different vegetables, rice, pulses, these all things are measured in kilogram. So this all things you will learn in this chapter. So first let us see rules for conversions. So before moving to rules for conversion, note that 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. We have done this already also, children, in your math magic book, in your mental maths book also. So you must be aware that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. That means grams are the smaller unit and kgs are the larger unit. So these are the rules for conversion. Rule number 1. To convert kilograms into grams, put 3 zeros after the number of kilograms. So you have to add 3 zeros because 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So there are 3 zeros in 1000. So whenever you see, whenever you have to convert kilogram into grams, you have to add 3 zeros. Okay. Next, to convert kilograms and grams into grams, first you will convert kilograms into grams by adding 3 zeros. Then you will add the given number of grams. You can see the example. 3 kg 670 gram. So 3 kg, first you will convert 3 kg into 3000 grams, plus you will add 670 gram. So that will be 3670 grams. Okay, hope this is clear to you all. Now next, this is the third rule of conversion. To convert grams into kilograms and grams, first transform the given multiple of 100. You can see that, multiple of 1000. For example, you can see 2456. Here the place value of 1000 is, the face value of 1000 is 2. So 2000, you will write 2000 2000 gram plus 456 gram. So that will give you 2000 gram means 2 kg 456 gram. Next, 1095 gram. 1000 you will convert into, you will differentiate with 95. From 95, 1000 gram plus 95 gram, that will be 1 kg plus 95, that will be equal to 1 kg 95 gram. So hope the rule of conversion is clear to you all. So let us see in brief what we are going to do in today's class. In today's class, children, we are going to do exercise 69, that we will do 1 to 5, and exercise 70 we will do 5 and 6 only, because exercise 70 is just simple addition. So this is exercise 69 which we are going to do in today's class, children, and this is exercise 70. So without any delay, let us proceed to our class. let us start exercise 69. We have already learned that 1000 gram equals to how many kg? 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. And number B, 1 kg equals to, this is opposite, yes, 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So the standard unit of mass is, we have already read, the standard unit of mass is gram. Okay children, so let us do number 2 now. Change into grams. So if you remember the rule, I know there will be no problem for you all. Yes. So the rule was that to change grams into kilograms into grams, you have to add 3 zeros. So number A I will be doing for you. 2 kg equals to how many grams? 2000 grams. If you want, you can do this in your book only. Number B, 3 kg equals to 3000 grams. Okay, so in this way you will do C and D also. So children, number C also we will do till D only. C and D you mark as your homework. We will not do from E onwards. So number 3, change into grams. Number 3 is change into grams. So 3A, you have to convert 5 kg 125 grams. So I have already told you the rule, yes, that if you are converting 5 kg, first you have to convert this 5 kg into grams. So 5 kg equals to how many grams? 5 kg equals to 5000 grams. You can write G only, plus you will add 125 grams. So if you add 5000 grams and 125 grams, you will get the answer 5125 grams, right? So next we will do number B. You have to convert, let me see the question. 2 kg 378 grams. 2 kg 378 grams to grams. Okay, so let us first convert 2 kg into grams. So that will be 2000 grams plus 378 grams equals to 2378 grams. This much you will do A and B in the class, and C and D is your home assignment. Now children, let us go to number 4. Number 4 also we will do till number D only. You can cross out E and F. So 4 you have to change into kilograms. You don't forget to write the question. I am not writing the question here, but you all will write the question also. So to convert 2000 grams into kilograms, you will omit 3 zeros. Yes, because you will divide. You know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram equals to how many kg? 1 kg. So you can write the answer easily. 2000 grams equals to 2 kg. Okay, next let us do number B. 3000 gram, very easy. The same method we will apply. 3000 grams. 3, we will again write the same rule, because 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. 3000 grams equals to 3 kg. Okay, so A and B I have done for you. C and D you will mark your home assignment. Now let us do number 5. Number 5 also children we will do till D only in the class. From E you can cross out, okay, because there are many sums. So number 5, let us do 5A. You have to change into grams and kilograms. So 5A, 1234 grams, and let me write 5B also question. 2456 grams. So children, 1234. So there is 1 in the 1000 place. So we will convert this into 1000 gram, and you will add 234 grams, right? Remaining 234 grams. So we have divided it into 2 types of grams. So 1 kg equals to, 1000 gram equals to 1 kg plus 234 gram. So we can say that 1234 gram equals to 1 kg 234 grams. So in this way, slowly by step you are going to do this one. Okay, so 2456 grams. So we have already learned the rule that this 2000 we will write 2000 grams plus 456 grams. Okay, so 2000 grams means how many kg? 2000 grams means 2 kg plus 456 grams. That means children, 2456 grams means 2 kg 456 grams. So in this way you will convert the unit into grams and kilograms. Now children, A and B I have already done for you. C and D will be your home assignment. Now let us move to the number 5. This is from next exercise, children. So we will start from 5 only, because till 4 you don't have to do. There are so many sums. So 9 you just have to add the weight. You know how to add. We have done this in measurement of length also. So 9 plus 6 equals to 15. So 1 I will write here, 5 I will write here. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1 I will write here. 3 I will write here. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So that means we will get 1135. Yes, that means 1000 means 1 kg. Yes, 1000 means 1 kg. So this 1 kg we will shift to kilogram. So that will be 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got our answer 8 kg 135 gram. Now next children, 9 plus 7 is 16. So 1 I will write here, 6 I will write here. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 1 is again 16. So 1 I will write here, 6 I will write here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. It will again be 1466. So this 1000 we will convert into 1 kg. So we will write only 4. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 7. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we got our answer 37 kg 466 grams. C and D you can easily do it now, children. Now let us move to number 6A and B I will do. Okay, C also we will do in the class but not in the video. So D will be a home assignment. So let us start doing adding 996 gram plus 111 gram. So 999, don't forget to write gram here in your copy, and 111 again grams here. So 9 plus 1 10. So 1 plus 0. Okay, so 9 plus 1 10, 11. So 1 here in the 100 position and 1, 9, 10, 11. So we got our answer. What is our answer? 1110 gram. That is equal to 1 kg 110 gram. Number B, let us do number B, children. We will add 443 gram with 738 grams. Okay, so 8 plus 3. Okay, don't forget to put addition sign. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 I will write here, 1 I will write here. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. And 4 plus 7 is 11. Yes, so we got our answer. What is our answer? Our answer is 1181 grams. Okay, so children, hope you have understood. This is just like a simple addition. So we will do C in the online live class, and D is your home assignment. So children, whatever we have done, hope it is clear to you all. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.